Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes using the TurboTax app. First, download the TurboTax app to your phone or tablet. Once installed, you can easily create a new account or sign in if you're a returning user. Make sure to select the correct tax year. Before you start, gather all your important tax documents, like W-2 forms and any Form 1099 documents, to make the process smooth and efficient. Next, you'll begin entering your tax information. The app will guide you step by step to input your personal details. You can often import your W-2 forms directly from your employer, saving you time. For other income, like from Form 1099, you'll manually enter the details. Don't forget to add all your eligible deductions and credits, as these can significantly lower your tax liability or increase your refund. Once you've entered all your data, TurboTax will lead you through a thorough review of your return. This is a crucial step to ensure accuracy. Take your time to check for any errors or omissions, confirming that all your income and deductions are correctly reported. The app will then show you your estimated refund or the amount of tax you owe, giving you a clear picture before you file. Finally, it's time to file your taxes. You can conveniently e-file both your federal and state returns directly through the app. If you're due a refund, you'll select your preferred method, such as direct deposit. If you owe taxes, you can securely pay them within the app. After filing, remember to save a copy of your completed return for your personal records, ensuring you have everything documented.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.